Tank, and I'm going to be doing the Mewtwo theme deck. This is a Psychic Fighting theme deck. As you can see, X and Y evolutions. If nobody's familiar with this Mewtwo card, but let's get into the box. Straight in. What are these cardboard things on? It's different when I unbox. When I actually opened the package for the video. Well, we're getting straight into this already. And I think this is, yep, this is the playmat. We got our, we got our damage indicators, or whatever they are. We got, ooh, what's new in Pokemon trading card chain? Action, X and Y, evolution expansion. Okay, pause the video and try to read it if you can. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Just going around doing nothing. But the code, here's the coin. We got Chansey coin. We got our Mewtwo promo card. This is, I think this is a fairy type. So why does this go with a psychic? Whatever. We got our good card. We got a coin, as always. And I'm just gonna go throw this back here and the TCG code. But the TCG code is to play the deck online. So if you're wondering, oh, is it a pack? Well, that's not that good. You said it's only one pack. Well, actually, it's something else. So we got one. So we got a psychic energy, another psychic energy, another psychic energy, another psychic energy, a Professor Oak's hint, another psychic energy. No, I think everybody knows what it is now. Onyx, Nidoran male, Coughing, Fighting energy, Gaslight, Drowsy. I'm not gonna say it. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna say it completely. Is there any? No, wait. Isn't this Mewtwo's a miss? This Mewtwo's a little miss. See, there's less line here and more line here. So we got a miscut promo. That's really good. These aren't miscuts though, but that is really good. Miscut promos are good. I don't know why rocks types can normally be fighting types for some odd reason. Oh, we got our second Mewtwo in the theme deck. It's always great to have that, and I don't think that's a miscut. Yep, it's not a miscut. So, we got our two Mewtwo's. I might give the one that's from Mewtwo's to my little brother if he wants in a card battle with me. Because what's the point of having 3 Mewtwo's? Because if you haven't seen one of my other videos, I think I might have gotten another Mewtwo, and it was a shiny. So should I just stop talking? Yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking. Yeah, if I'm not saying these, well, that doesn't matter. I'm just doing it. Now I'm just gonna go get a little closer. If somebody can literally edit this thing and actually play it like with the card picture only, that would be really cool. If somebody actually was able to do to edit videos like that. Cause I don't think you can edit videos like that, but that'd be cool if you can. My little brother's probably watching TV.
No, that was you that left on Stevie.
Don't tell anybody who I watch. It's nice. I watch who I watch. The Steam Deck actually does have some decent cards in it. And that is it for this Steam Deck. So I don't know how this thick a card fit in here. Oh, they actually do. But that's the end of this video. So bye.